Okay, so we need to create a floor. So what we're going to do is go under floor and architectural, and we're going to edit this type, duplicate. Let's go ahead and give it 6 inches instead of 4. And that doesn't do anything. Remember that renaming it is only a descriptor. It's not an actual model information. So we need to get this 4 inches to change. So we're going to go under edit, and you can see it's now been cast in place is what's being used. And we're going to just change this to 6 inches. And that actually changed the thickness, and it's perfect. So your plan probably looks a lot like this. And so what we're going to do is scroll up using these arrows to a rectangle. And we need to get a rectangle that is accurate. So you're going to want to look at your supplements and make sure that you create the correct dimension here. So in this case, I need it to be 14 feet. So I'm not sure, maybe I can just change this. Yep, that worked. And then I can change that's interesting. It didn't let me just change that, but then I drug it to the point where it's perfect. All right, don't need the dimensions now. Well, actually, you might need them to in the final. So it's asking, would you like the walls that go up to the floor's level to attach to its bottom? Let's go ahead and say attach, and let's take a look at what just happened. So if we go to the axon, we can see that our walls, when we detach them, it really didn't change anything. So if the top wall is to there, it actually should have. There, okay, that's what I was expecting. So when you detach it, it's going right up to level 1, which is 0, and or 100, I should say, elevation. So when you attach it, what it's doing essentially is just going up to its thickness of that floor that's been assigned level 1. So that really fixes a lot of kind of graphical errors that you might have. So that in this case is a good thing. Just keep an eye on that. It may or may not be always the most promising thing. So you just got to take a look at what happened, and if not, if you don't want it, then detach it later or undo whatever. All right, so that's basically how to get that piece in. The other thing that we will need is a level 2, and we'll cover that later.